असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. Okay, by using the patterns, we just show the results of the given exercise problems, right? Let us discuss, consider about the question number 1. Study the pattern and write the next 4 steps. So, when do we write the next 4 steps? If you understand the pattern which is emerged here, then only we can write next 4 steps. Okay, let us observe the pattern, what is here in it. 1 into 8 plus 1, that is equals to 9. 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the next one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into 8 is comes regularly plus 6. That equals to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. After that it is a 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 8 plus 7. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 8 plus 8. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into 8 plus 9. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is the way of showing the 4 steps of this given problem. So this time we'll consider about the question number 2. Study the pattern and again write the next 7 steps of the given question. Okay, 91 into 11 into 1 is equals to 1001. So 91 into 11 into 2 is equals to 2002. 91 into 11 into 4 equals to 3003. So what are the next steps? How would you write the next steps? What are the pattern is here to be followed? So we have 91 into 11 into 4. If it is a 3, if it is a 1, the result will be 1001. If it is a 2, the result will be 2002. If it is a 3 here, the result is, the product is 3004. If I write 4 here, the result will be, product is 4004. Right? 91 into 11 into 5, that is equals to 5005. 91 into 11 into 6, 6006. So 91 into 11 into 7, 1007. 91 into 11 into 8, 8008. 91 into 11 into 9, 9009. 91 into 11 into 10. Come on. What is your answer? Just see that. 91 into 11 into 10, 110. You just multiply. 00. Otherwise you just do it like this. 91 into 110. Write 0 here. 11 ones are 11. 11 nines are 99. 100. You just write. Right. So this is the way we can give the solution for the given question. Yeah. This is the third question. So altogether there are three problems are here in this question, but I will show the result solution of one problem on the board, and the remaining 2 you can do it. And now this is how would we multiply this number into 9. So, and also you can do it as by using mentally. You can give the solution by mentally also. So to give the solution by mentally, we just use a small pattern by using numbers. So 9 can be written as 10 minus 1, right? And write this number as it is. Yes, you can multiply with 10 and multiply with 1. 3, 6, 8, 0, 3, 4, 7 into 10 minus 1, 3, 6, 8, 0, 3, 4, 7 into 1. See that the product is 1, 3, 6, 8, 0, 3, 4, 7, 0 minus 1, 3, 6, 8, 0, 3, 4, 7. So what is here asking this? So with 9 mentally annar kada. So mentally annappudu, so one, if you do 1, then you will get some idea to do the remaining 2 questions. Just multiply the number by 10 and subtract the same number from it. That is the logic here. Multiply the given number by 10 and subtract the same number from it. Okay. 0, 8, 6, 3, 1. You just do this and we will get the answer. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So this is the result. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right? So there are 2 more questions in that exercise, question number 3. You just do the remaining 2 problems also by using the same logic of patterns of numbers. You just write 9 as 10 minus 1. And what is the pattern here? Multiply the given number by 10 and subtract same number from it to get the result. That's it.